Hello everyone, and welcome back. In today's quick 2-minute tutorial, we're going to learn how to predict serine and threonine phosphorylation sites in bacterial proteins using the software tool NetPhosBac version 1.0. Protein phosphorylation is an important post-translational modification that regulates many bacterial cellular processes, including signal transduction, metabolism, stress responses, and virulence. Identifying potential phosphorylation sites can help researchers better understand protein function and design targeted experiments for validation. Now, copy the web page URL and paste it into your preferred web browser to access the site. NetPhosBac 1.0 server predicts serine and threonine phosphorylation sites in bacterial proteins. A quick note before you start: NetPhosBac accepts up to 2,000 sequences per submission, with a maximum of 200,000 amino acids total, and each individual protein sequence must be 6,000 amino acids or shorter. Next, paste your protein sequence into the input box. After pasting the sequence, click Submit to initiate the calculation process. Here, the total length of the submitted protein and the predicted serine and threonine phosphorylation sites will be displayed. This section shows the distribution and locations of the phosphorylation sites across the protein. A plot showing the distribution of phosphorylation sites is also provided. Thank you for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to comment, like, share, and subscribe for more content.